brother, what is your full name? Rohit? Rohit, I can't explain, but I can pronounce your last name properly.
Jonged.
Jangit.
Jonged.
Okay, it's very difficult for me because I am from
Yeah.
different country.
Yeah, I mean, no, no, even in India, it's a little bit a different, different surname actually.
Okay,
In
okay.
India, this surname is quite, rare.
Yeah. Rohit are more popular because Rohit Sharma is
Yeah,
more popular in Bangladesh.
yeah. No, it's just my surname is a little bit different.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, from where my people belong, will actually use different surname, and this is the most, the old surname,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
old
yeah,
name
yeah,
of
yeah.
my surname.
I
So we
understand,
usually
I
this.
guess, and I'm right.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay, okay. Nice to meet you, by the way.
So, same here.
Okay, brother.
How long you are using this app, bro?
Yeah.
How long are you using this app? Are you a continuous user or more like a
Two
weekend
month,
one?
2 months, 2 months. I think 2 months. I
2 months.
used this
Okay.
application. Yeah. You?
Well, I'm using for a long time, but I only use on the weekends actually.
Okay.
I mean, yeah.
Is
For
this
me,
weekend in your
I'm not a
country?
daily user actually.
This is weekend in your country.
Saturday, Sunday, yes.
Oh, okay, okay. But Friday and
Yeah, I know. I found out. I think in Nepal there is also, a little bit different weekend. I mean, uh, I think their starts with end with Saturday and
yeah,
start with I do not know. I
Bangladesh
think there is,
and
yeah.
Bangladesh are very different. Friday and Saturday.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I think this same thing happens in Nepal also. I mean, they follow the same way of weekends.
Yeah.
But in India, it's a little bit different actually.
Okay, okay,
Maybe
okay.
because of Western trends, Saturdays, I mean, in Western trends,
Yeah.
Sunday is considered as holiday. So
Yes.
maybe because of those things.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Brother, are you a student? I think,
Yeah, I'm a student.
yeah, I guess, are you a student and you look like a good student?
No, I mean, I'm fine, but I'm not that great student. It's more like I'm a little bit above from average. But if you consider me above, then it's not.
Okay, okay, okay. Better than average.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm a little bit above than average, but it's not that I'm that much, good at
Not at
everything. But
top.
yeah, I'm
Not at
still
top,
I'm
but better than
managing.
average. Yeah.
Yeah,
Not at top, but better than average.
yeah, yes.
Brother, exactly where are you from in India?
New Delhi.
New Delhi. This is your hometown.
No, my hometown is from Haryana actually.
Haryana.
Yeah, it's
Haryana.
different
This
state.
is side of Delhi, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. I understand.
These
Because
Delhi and Haryana are neighboring
yeah,
states.
Durbrathi are from Haryana. I'm right.
No, if you're talking about his birthplace, then I do not know. But
Birth,
right now, I think
birthplace.
birthplace.
Right now, he
Yeah, so
lives
I
in
don't know
Germany.
about.
Right now, he
Yeah,
lives in
so I
Germany.
don't know about where he's from. Actually, no, I rarely watch his videos, so I don't know much about him.
It's okay. It's okay. Most people don't like him, but I have
No,
a
no, it's not like that. I actually rarely watch YouTube videos, especially about someone reactions and they wanted to discuss about something. I rarely watch it.
yeah,
I prefer to directly read from sources. I mean, whether from web search by doing web searches or by using some news applications.
yeah.
Hmm.
What kind
I
of
mean,
opinion
it's
you
a
have
little bit,
about
it's more like
Durbrathi?
even if they do not want to, sometimes in YouTube, even if they do not want to, their perspective, we can see their perspectives in their videos. So that's why, even if I do not want to, I feel like, yeah, they are showing their perspective to me. They're a little bit biased. So I prefer to directly read from news, I mean, by written articles.
Okay, okay, I understand. I understand. But
Yeah,
um, But Dhruv Rathi, I think Dhruv Rathi are good YouTuber, but now I have a curiosity about his content.
No, I mean his content is, it's more about how the government works and what is right and what is wrong. He basically covers all the news. I mean, not at the state level or local level, but at the international level.
Yeah,
But especially about India,
yeah, yeah.
morely especially about India. See, maybe because he's from India, or maybe someone there is some personal reasons, or maybe some, because you can also say that in India there are quite number of population. So if someone wanted to increase the viewerships, India and the few other China are the best options. So I think that's one of the reasons for him. I mean, if I wanted to improve the viewership, I will definitely going to. I mean, definitely, start going. I mean, start my video in India. Of course, I am from India also, but from a money perspective also, where we get more viewership, we will definitely going to start their business from that place.
Okay, okay. I understand.
Mm. So
Hmm.
what are your majors in?
My major,
Yeah.
my major is political science.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great.
Your?
No, I'm really bad at history and those stuffs. Yeah.
What is your
For
major?
me, I actually like medical. I mean, medicals, a little bit of biology, but still, I don't choose the biology.
Hoi.
Yeah, in India, if you wanted to become doctor, it's really difficult. You need to be at least financially stable
Yeah.
if you wanted to become a doctor in India. So
Yes.
that's why I do not prefer it. I mean, if it's going to cost a lot of money.